Hello and welcome to another unboxing video courtesy of AUDS Tubes, anything under the sun tubes. Today we will be unboxing the Schwinn, hope I pronounce it right, 570U stationary upright bicycle. So in case you are wondering how big is the box, the length is around 41 inches. We ordered it online from Fitness Superstore. It retails around 400 pounds, but with discount you can bring it down to around 380 or maybe just a bit less depending on what code you get. So as far as the height is concerned, it's around 22 inches. We ordered it from Fitness Superstore and they offer free delivery. However, we ordered it on a Friday and we got it Monday. So if you were to order it during the weekdays, you might get it the following day or the day after that. And then the thickness is around 13 inches. So if you're planning to buy this from the store, you got the dimension of the space you need to put it in your vehicle. One thing I've noticed too is that Schwinn 570U, I think, is also brought to you by Nautilus. They're also famous for their own brand name fitness equipment. So here's a quick view from around the box. Okay. Which we shall open now. Alright, now the sides. Okay, that's what's inside the box. So take it out one by one. I think these are the handlebars. The seat. And I think that's the main base. Okay, I will rearrange it to give you a better view. Okay, I almost forgot. On this side, they also have tools. They provided you with the tools that you need to assemble it. And I think those are the manuals and warranty card. Okay. So here are the contents straight out of the box, still covered in plastic. So this is the main base. This is the main bar where you connect the handlebars and the computer or control panel on this side. We got the two bays. One goes at the front and then the other one goes at the back. And then this is for the seat. You connect that with the seat here. On this end, we got the pedals. And then those are, I think, the cup holders. And again, the tools and instruction manuals that comes with it. I will now remove the plastic covering and show it to you. This is what it looks like, devoid of any packaging. So the front support, one of them has got wheels on each end. The other one doesn't have wheels. It's got just adjustments. Same on the other end. And it's got the brand name there, Schwinn. The other one doesn't. And then the pedals got straps to secure your feet. It's also got various adapters for different markets. We'll be using this one for the UK. There we go. Some knobs, cup holders. Okay. That's the covering. And this is what it looks like inside the machine itself, which provides the magnetic resistance. So there you have it, the unboxing of the Schwinn 570U. I think it's made by Nautilus. Bought on the internet from Fitness Superstore for around £400, give or take 20 pounds, depending on the discount code that you use. Delivered in a few days' time. Could be next day delivery, depending on which day of the week you order, preferably during the weekdays. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I'm gonna make an assembly video separate, because otherwise it would be a very long video. Thank you very much. Hope I was very helpful. To people who wanted to buy a stationary upright bicycle so that they could exercise in all seasons indoors. Thank you.